Okay guys, lost my wing, flew it into these power lines, so great second day of holiday. Great. So these power lines, and VTX has overheated, so I can't see where it is. Beeper I did not install, but luckily on my transmitter there are some coordinates that I can find my way back, hopefully. These power lines, they were kind of, I was too high, that's all. Bad luck. I found it! Let's see what's the damage. Okay. It's just a vert that hit it. Okay, cool. Camera's off. Okay. Well, let's see if we have some video footage. Yeah. Let me show you. It's these lines that I hit. And it was like a few hundred meters. No, 10-20 meters over there. So it's okay.